So we are going to take the second question. Now here also indeterminate form 0 by 0 form will be solving. So we have to go for L'Hospital's rule. Now the thing is that before going to this topic, you have to learn the differentiation part, differentiation of all the general values as well as the UV rule, that means product rule, quotient rule, everything you have to learn. Okay. Now here, what happens? Let us see. So let me just name this function as what p. Just naming, you can name anything, it is fine. Okay. We'll take this function as p. Now we'll put the limit. So what happens? P value, put the limit x equal to 0 input. So 1 minus cos 0 divided by 0 into log of 1 plus 0. Now as we know that 1 minus, now if you apply cos 0, what cos 0 is what? 1 divided by 0 into anything. See, 0 into anything is what? 0. So 0 by 0 form you are getting. That means what? We have to go for the L'Hospital's rule. Simple. If you are getting 0 by 0 form, always remember after applying the limit, you have to go for L'Hospital rule. So what does it do? What does this L'Hospital's hospital rule says? Okay. It basically, we have to do the differentiation of numerator as well as denominator. Okay. So let us see. So the p value, which is limit x tends to 0. Now, numerator part I will differentiate. So 1 minus cos x differentiation I have to do. 1 differentiation is what? 0. Cos x differentiation is minus sin x. So minus outside and minus sin x. Correct? Divided by. So what all rules I am applying? Just to write it over here. That differentiation of cos x, we know it is minus sin x. Done. Next. Denominator. Two functions are there. So multiplication of two functions, we have to apply UV rule. What does it say? U is the first function, V is the second function. So first into differentiation of second plus second as it is into differentiation of first. Simple rule, UV rule is there. So we will apply here. So first function as it is into differentiation of second. Log 1 by 1 plus x differentiation is what? 1 by 1 plus x into, again in place of x 1 plus x is there, so again we have to differentiate. So differentiation of 1 plus x is what? 1 differentiation 0 and x differentiation 1. So what rule we are applying here? The differentiation of log x is what? 1 by x, but in place of x who was sitting? 1 plus x was sitting, that's why I differentiated again. Okay, chain rule. Plus second function as it is, so log 1 plus x into differentiation of first, that is x differentiation 1. So simple rule, UV rule we have applied. Now we will just write the simplified form. So p is equal to limit x tends to 0 sin x divided by x by 1 plus x plus log of 1 plus x. Okay, so this particular thing also we got. Now we'll apply the limit. So while applying the limit, we have to remove the limit and put the value x value as 0. So sin 0, 0 by 1 plus 0 plus log of 1 plus 0. What are you getting? What is sin 0 value? 0. Then 0 plus log of 0, sorry, log of 1. As we know, log 1 value is what? 0. So 0 plus 0, 0 by 0. So one more formula you remember, always log 1 value is what? 0. So all these things you have to remember. Okay. Thing what is 0 by 0 form, what you have to do? Again you have to do the apply the L'Hospital's rule. So which particular function we are going to differentiate? This particular function, right? So that particular function will differentiate. So p is equal to limit x tends to 0. So sin x differentiation is what? Cos x. So cos x divided by, this particular thing is what? U by v rule, but we can apply what? U into v rule. We can convert into U into v rule. How we can convert? We can just apply what? We can write x by 1 plus x as what? X into 1 by 1 plus x. This you can consider u, this you can consider v. Because u by v rule, it is quite complicated. Instead of that, you can go over u into v rule, product rule. So first function is x into differentiation of second. So 1 by 1 plus x differentiation is minus 1 by 1 plus x the whole square into, so which rule I am applying here? See, differentiation of 1 by x value is minus 1 by x square. Now in place of x, who is sitting? 1 plus x. So again I have to differentiate 1 plus x. Differentiation of 1 plus x is 1. 0 plus 1, 1. Okay. Plus. Now second function as it is into differentiation of first function, x differentiation 1. So this part is also done. Now log 1 plus x, that is left out. So plus what happens? Log 1 plus x differentiation will be what? 1 by 1 plus x. Again into differentiation of 1 plus x is 1. Simple. Now we'll write the simplified version. So p is equal to limit x tends to 0 cos x divided by this will be minus x by 1 plus x the whole square plus 1 by 1 plus x plus 1 by 1 plus x, right? Now we'll apply the limit. So what happens? Apply the limit. Cos 0 divided by minus 0 by 1 plus 0 the whole square plus 1 by 1 plus 0 plus 1 by 1 plus 0. Now if you observe, this particular thing becomes 0, as we know, 0 by this thing 0. Okay. This thing becomes 1, this thing becomes 1. Cos 0 value is 1. So we'll apply that thing. So we'll write it as 1 by 0 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 1 by 2. So therefore we can say that p value, the given problem limit will be equal to, limit value will be equal to what? P is equal to 1 by 2.